Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your routing number on the Navy Federal application in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to open your Navy Federal application on your phone. Then you just have to log in using your username and the password or biometric login. Now, when you are inside, you just have to basically go to the accounts section, and then you just have to look for whether you want to select the checking account or the saving account. Then it is going to open your accounts details. When the account details opened in front of you, you just have to look for something like account details, and here you will see your uh, routing number along with the account number. So you can then tap on the option of the menu icon, then go to the help section. Some versions show the routing number here as well. So you can then copy this routing number and use it for transfers, direct deposits, and payments. So that's how you can find the routing number on your Navy Federal application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.